Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to log in Volksbank online. So if you want to log in, follow me in this video guide. Go to Google, search for Volksbank login. Click this website. As you can see here, when you click this website, you will see this page. From this page, just go to log in online. When you click login online, you will see this port, the portal login. To access, write your user and PIN, write your user and PIN, and then click login. If you want to use QR code, just click this one, scan this QR code from the mobile option. When you scan this code from here, you can set up your login successfully without any problem. You can download also app. Download this app on App Store or Google Play. When you download this app, install app and then log in with your own information. This is how you can do. I hope this guide